Good day, sir. This is my report about distribution-based clustering. As distance from the distribution center increases, the probability that a point belongs to the distribution decreases. The band shows that decrease in probability when you do not know the type of distribution in your data. You should use a different algorithm. It is a clustering model in which we will fit the data on the probability that show it may belongs to the same distribution. The groupings done may be normal or Gaussian. Gaussian distribution is more prominent, where we have fixed number of distribution and all the upcoming data is fitted into it such that the distribution of data may get maximized. This results in groupings with issue and figure. This is the example of models. These models work good on synthetic data and diversely sized clusters. But this model may have problem if the constraints are not used to limit model's complexity. Furthermore, distribution-based clustering produces clusters with assumed concisely defined mathematical models underlying the data, a rather strong assumption for some data distributions. For example, expectation maximization algorithm, which use multivariate normal distributions, is one of popular example of this algorithm. The advantage of these clusters is K-means has the advantage that it's pretty fast, as all we're really doing is computing the distance between points and group centers. Very few computation thus has a linear disadvantage. K-means has a couple of disadvantages. Firstly, you have to select how many groups, classes there are. This is not always trivial, and ideally with a clustering algorithm, want it to figure those out obvious because the point of it is to gain some insight from the data. K-means also start with a random choice of cluster centers, and therefore it may yield difference runs of algorithm. Thus the result may not be repeatable and lack consistency. Other cluster methods are more consistent. Ang clustering ay isang posibilidad na ang isang punto ay kabilang sa pamamahagi ng nagpapakita na ang pagbaba sa posibilidad kapag hindi mo alam ang uri ng pamamahagi sa iyong data. Dapat kang gumamit ng ibang algorithm. Ang models ay mahusay na gumagana sa synthetic data at magkakaibang laki ng mga cluster. Ngunit ang modelong ito ay maaaring magkaroon ng problema kung ang mga hadlang ay hindi ginagamit upang limitahan ang pagiging komplikado ng modelo. That's all. Thank you.